guys, welcome to Women's World. My name is Tokwe Sonny, and on today's show, we will be talking about one of my favorite topics, and that is money. Girl, make your money. See, I won't lie to you. Money is power. Don't listen to that girl. What's her name? That girl on Game of Thrones. She's lying. We are Nigerians. Money is power. Money opens doors. Money gives you options. Money gives you freedom. It doesn't matter how much you're earning. It doesn't matter if it is thousands or, millions. You need to have your own money in your own account, not your money in another person's account. Do you hear me? Anyway, when I come back, I'll be giving you 3 reasons why I think you should be making your own money. See you soon. Welcome back, guys. Like I said, we will be talking about money. And one of the reasons, the first one is, listen, nobody likes a broke friend. Let's be real. See, everybody's hanging out and we are going for dinner. And the first time you don't have your own money, that's okay. They will understand, maybe something happened to your bank, something happened, whatever. The second time they will understand, maybe you lost your job. The third time, the fourth time, you just start seeing them on Instagram. You understand? They will just start posting. They will forget about you. They will stop inviting you out. And you cannot blame them. Nobody wants a broke person around them. And that is the truth. See, it's another thing for you to be working for money. Maybe you don't have a job, but then there are prospects. You have potential. You're working on something. Everybody understands that. But it's just that you are not interested in making money. You just want to be the broke friend. The one that everybody has to pick up their tabs and all that. Nobody likes that. Even you. Will you like that kind of friend? The second one is this. Money gives you options. Money allows you to have freedom. Money gives you freedom to do, and undo. You can just take your money and say it is shawarma today. Tomorrow it is pizza. See, these kind of things, it might seem like they are small, but have you checked how much you spend every week? See, it's another thing to pay for light. It's another thing to pay for water. It's another thing to say, today, I'm not in a good mood and I just want to go to the movies. And I want to watch something. That 1,500, that 2,000 naira, where do you think that money is coming from? From your pocket. Money gives you options. It gives you the freedom to say, I am not doing this, and that is it. You can just pick up your bags and say, I want to do this, and that is it. If you're asking for permission, it is because you need, that, I am going here. Not, if you don't give me money, I cannot go. One last reason, and it is this. Money, the most giving person in your area, your parents, your brothers and all that, they get tired, they will start getting frustrated. And, the insult will start coming small, just small like that. You need your own money, girl. That is the truth. You need to have your own money. You need to make your money. I understand that there's a lot of unemployment issues and all that, but there are so many things you can do online. Social media is here to help us. And we are never ever going to the time when social media is never going to be. It is not happening. So if you can teach on social media. If you can cook, you don't even need to know how to cook like that. Just make sure you're not poisoning anybody. Just make sandwiches and sell. Just make beans and sell. Fried chicken and sell. Do something. Do your own thing. There's nothing as beautiful as taking your own money from your bank account and chilling with your girls. All right, girls. I hope you guys enjoyed the show today. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Tokwe Sonny and follow our social media channels. Remember to also share with your friends and your sister circle. I'll see you all next time.